This weekend for me was really transformative. I came in with no expectations because I didn't want to set myself up. I've done a lot of different workshops, came in with expectations and, left a little unsettled. And in this space, I came in reading a bit about it and knowing that it was highly recommended. And working with Nathan, I'd done breath work before. There was a lot of resistance. Nathan brought in a gentle approach, something that I hadn't received in the past. Really gentle. I wouldn't even say instruction, more like information brought throughout the day that just resonated. You pick what's yours, and I took certain things that I just broke through that barrier, which I'd been trying to for quite a while. So my breath work this weekend was just transformative for me. That was my original reason for coming. When I got into the body disarmoring, I was unprepared for the amount of emotional release and the amount of somatic body work that was going to be done in that space. So I just felt like I'd found something, a tool I could use outside of here, something that I could tap into, something I could share with my family, something I could use to using the body, getting in touch with yourself, finding things, releasing things. And Nathan brought it in this safe space with a group of people that just wanted to work on shifting things, work on living a better life, work on healing something, work on celebrating something. So for me, that's what the course did. The full body orgasm, being that I actually was part of the demo, really surprised me because I had no problem in my life with orgasms. I really enjoy sensuality, sexuality, so I had a preconceived idea. I had no idea what my body could do. I had no idea how, through gentle, aware presence, we could find little parts of the body without even going into specific zones, and my entire body, every cell in my body just exploded. I just had this experience of, it just felt like a birth. It felt like a birth. There was every cell in my body just exploding. My heart, there was cathartic crying of love and joy. And again, with that safe space, that safe container, people around me that were celebrating and wanting to experience this, and I got to experience it, thankfully. I'm just so grateful for Nathan and this. I didn't even know it existed. Honestly, I think everyone needs to know this. The first thought I have now is going to tell everyone what happened and try and show it, because it's that simple with presence, love, awareness, and we can celebrate this. This is our body, this is what we can do.